Hello, this is Michael Jen. Today we're doing a review on this all perspectives induction headlamp. I bought this from Wurkkos' website. It's $10, $9.99. However, it came free with an order that I made. Motion sensor, rechargeable headlamp, 1000 lumens, wide beam, with a spotlight. And here is some more information. I'm not sure if Wurkkos is saying that they made this headlamp or not, but I do see it on sale here on AliExpress as well. It is $4.89 plus $6.25 for shipping, which is technically more expensive. I also see other similar ones here for $8.75, but it's $31 for shipping. Same shipping price if you buy, how many, 16? 10 over here. Anyway, there are a lot of these types of headlamps available for sale if you just search for it. Here are the features on the side. Here are the modes on the back. Let's open it up. Okay, and you got this instruction manual over here. I'll go over it slowly in case anyone would like to see it. Here it is. Here is the other side. I don't think this is English, but yeah. And then in the actual package, you get the headlamp. Oh, well, here's a charger. It is Type C, as you can see, Type C to Type A. And this Type A is just regular. Doesn't have USB 3.1, which we didn't expect. And here's the actual lamp. And as you can see, there is no overstrap, just the single strap. And that's what's advertised. Now let's talk about the side over here. You have a Type C port. Let's plug it in and let's see. I don't think the anchor cable fits. So a classic anchor cable will not fit because it's too thick. However, the cable that came with it or a different Wurkkos cable will fit fine. So as you can see over here, it's plugged in. When it's charging up, it'll be red over here. The charging time from empty is 2.5 hours. The charging time on this light, depending on if you are using different modes, can be 2.5 hours to 8 hours. Over here is a little diagram of how long it will last, depending on the mode that you're in. The cable that it does come with seems a little bit shorter and thinner than some of the other Wurkkos cables. Here I'll show you the comparison between cables. If it makes a difference to you, while it is charging, it actually does power on, just so that you should know. I'm not sure how common that feature will ever be, however, if it is necessary, it is available. And now the headlamp is fully charged, and you see this green indication to show you that it's charged. This actually has a 1200 milliamp hour battery inside, and it is not removable, so it dies with the light. This has an IPX4 waterproof rating, which means it's waterproof, water resists the splashes from any direction. So that's what IPX4 is. Let's talk about the strap for a minute. As you can see, it's made out of this elastic material and is also adjustable from both sides, which is really good, which means it gets really big and really small. So that's nice. And as well as it having the ability to stretch, makes it basically one size fit all. So there are two buttons on here, and the first button will just basically turn the light on, and there are a few modes. So let's go through the modes over here. So the first mode is you turn it on once, and the light turns on, and you turn it on again, turns a little bit lower, again, and it turns off, and the, I guess you could call it the XP LED light turns on, and then the XP LED light turns off. So there are really three different modes. Yeah. So let's go through the modes again. You press once, turns on, press again, and it turns the strip LEDs lower. You press it again, and this LED turns on. Press it again, this LED turns lower. Press it again, turns off. And there's one more mode that's built in. You press it once, turns on, and then you can press it, hold on again. Press it once and then press it again and hold down, and it will turn on this strobe mode. And both of them will blink. So that's pretty intense. It's good for an SOS or intruder or something like that, because it could be very disorienting. It does claim to also be impact resistant, whatever that means. And let's turn on this mode. And when you press that, the light will turn on when you put your hand over it. So let's test it out. Let's turn it on, and we're going to press this button, which means that the sensor is on. So I think if you go like this, it'll turn off and back on. Wow, it's really not bad. So basically, you can put it whatever mode you like, and it will remain in that mode when you wave your hand over it. So that's pretty cool. Not gonna lie, it's a pretty good sensor. I guess this is the little sensor right here. Is this the one, or is this the one? Not sure. Now this is called a Cob Light, which is a new type of light, which is COB, chip on board. that means that the LEDs are on this chip, which is on a, I guess, a strip or whatever it is. And I've seen it in a few more other places, but they're pretty powerful lights. They're pretty good, especially since it will give you a wide area of workroom. So that's really nice. So like imagine this is on your head like this. It'll give you a full directional view of whatever it is you're looking at. And if you want something that's more, I guess, floody, you would want this with something with throw, I guess, a little bit of throw at least. Again, this is called the XPE LED, while this is called the Cob LED. And those are the two LED ones. Let's talk about the rest of the construction. As you can see over here, it is where the Cob LED is. It has some kind of like a, I guess, material that should be comfortable enough for your head. It's made out of some rubber material. As you can see, it has the indents from when it was packaged up. That's how it looks. Hopefully it will straighten out over time. And over here is just the battery and probably the LEDs. Also, as you can see over here, the place where you could charge it from is put in like that, and I can't get it out so easily actually because it's waterproof. The way that the band is held up is by this thing right here. So if this snaps, it'll be pretty annoying to have the band and this one at the other end as well. I've had headlights that had these snap. Anyway, I'm going to use this for a little bit, and I'll let you know what I think of it and how I'm using it, and if it was working well for me over the next few days. And I'll try to leave a review as well as this unboxing and first impression. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. For $10, this seems like a really good deal, and I'll do a little more of a review later on. But as of now, definitely thumbs up. I would recommend it for $10 for sure. And it's better than a lot of other lights out there that you can get for $10, especially since it's Type-C and rechargeable, and it also has 2 different modes, and the sensor is actually pretty nice. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.